MechLands may have shared the physical structure with other keyboards, but there are many features with the M75 that make it stand on its own. Notable ones include RGB LED lighting, hot swappable Hall effect switches, double-shot PBT keycaps, a sturdy aluminum backplate, and 8000 Hz polling rate. We also have 2 levels of kickstands, support for Windows and Mac layout, and a volume knob that can be replaced with another key. Furthermore, MechLands has ensured excellent and consistent typing experience with smooth keystrokes and satisfying audible feedback on each press. The longer stabilized keys feel consistent with the rest of the keyboard. Internally, we have dampening foam and rubber to prevent any poor sound characteristics. The linear Otemu amethyst magnetic switches are nice to use and offer customization options we have seen with other Hall effect keyboards. On the other hand, there are still some areas of improvement. Even with all these firmware features with Hall effect specific modifications, the MechLands driver software utility feels unpolished and clunky. Furthermore, I wish MechLands kept the aluminum frame around the keyboard for a premium feel. Finally, MechLands should make this keyboard easier to take apart without any fear of breakage for easy modification. At the time of the review, the M75 is available for $100, which is a decent price. Considering its features and capabilities, the MechLands M75 is still a strong choice for those wanting a compact Hall effect keyboard. I'd love to hear what you think of this Hall effect keyboard in the comments down below.